Hi guys, so as I promised, I would be doing a tutorial on Flexi Rods. So if you don't know what Flexi Rods are, they are rods that you curl your hair with that are flexi. So I'm showing you what I'm actually going to put on my hair. That is Cream of Nature. It is their spray leave-in conditioner. It is their cream conditioner. And then that is some setting lotion, just some foam setting lotion. Combing my hair out. Oh my goodness, this video is old and it took me forever to post it. And I'm just looking at how damaged my hair is. Anyways, combing my hair out, getting everything parted. Make sure you use a wide, big tooth comb to comb your hair out. And make sure that you start detangling from the roots to the top, which I really didn't do that for real. My hair is naturally curly, and I straightened my hair for years and years. So it's so much heat damage that I'm looking at right now on this video. I had stopped straightening my hair for about a year, so my hair doesn't really look as bad. All right, right now I'm just sectioning it off, so I'm getting ready to moisturize my scalp. You want to make sure that you moisturize your scalp. That is Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. I actually do like them. You just put some drops on your scalp and massage it in really good. I didn't order mine online. I actually got them from a beauty supply store here in Atlanta. And they work. They were good. I like them. I will purchase them again. But you want to make sure that you moisturize. I guess I was thirsty. You want to make sure that you moisturize your scalp really good, especially for any type of hairstyle that you're going to have for multiple days. I think this hairstyle lasted me for about a week and a half. Because as you'll see, that is my Super Grow hair grease that I also moisturize my scalp with. I've been using it for like years. And I think that it really didn't make my hair grow. So I swear by it. I believe it's Dax Super Grow. I'm not sure. That is the Cream of Nature cream conditioner. Now this is going on my actual hair to moisturize my hair. That is the leave-in spray conditioner. That is also going to wet my hair up a little bit more. My hair was damp when I first started it off, but this was just to moisturize it, get it a little bit wetter. You want your hair to be kind of soaking wet for this. Now I'm getting ready to section off pieces for the actual flex rod. Now, this bottom row is really tricky because that is the foam setting lotion. This bottom row is really tricky because it is so many different lengths of hair in that bottom piece. So I started at the root for this piece. You want to start at the root and just wrap around. Now when you get to the ends, you want to make sure it is saturated with that foam lotion. When you close the flex rod, you want to make sure that the ends of your hair is closed into the flex rod so it doesn't unravel. It may take a couple of tries to get used to. I'm going to show you how to do it again. But once you get it, you're going to be like, oh my goodness. I think I'm going to do this piece from the root too. Yep. And just wrap. You see how much foam lotion is on there? It's saturated on my hands. It's saturated on the actual rod. And that's going to help your hair stick to the rod better. And make sure you close that end of your hair into the rod and fold it over. You want to try to make the rod as small as you can because you are going to have to fit your head underneath a dryer or one of the dryer caps, and it can get rough with all those rods sticking out. Now, I'm going to show you another way to actually wrap it, and this is going to be from the ends of your hair. I thought I was going to switch sizes, but then no. So when you're wrapping it from the ends of your hair, it's kind of out of camera, you want to wrap it around, but you want to wrap your hair around the ends to kind of close it in, if that makes sense. You're going to start wrapping at the end, but then you're going to not go up the flex rod. You're going to wrap it around one more time before you start going up the flex rod with your hair, because you want to make sure that the ends is enclosed in, that it's not going to unravel. Watch again. I'm going to show you again. Make sure the hair is saturated. Wrap it around. Wrap your hair around one more time, and then start going up the rod. And you still want to make sure you close that in, just in case. Bend the flex rod, and on to the next. Now, I will tell you guys there are different sizes of flexi rods, and that's where the other flex rod came in. This is my hair dryer that I think I bought for $30. Sitting under that hot hair dryer is the worst, but I make it fun by watching Netflix. Yeah. Now, you see the different colors, the blues and the reds, because those are different sizes. I wanted to have different sizes just to have different volume. Now, watch carefully as I take it out. You want to unwrap it the opposite direction. You don't want to just snatch the rod out straight down. You want to unravel it. Just unravel. And depending on how big you made your pieces, you want to pull them apart. It also helps to pull them apart just with the volume and the hairstyle. Pull them apart, and then you want to twirl it around your finger in the direction that the curl is going. So you're going to unravel it in the opposite direction. When you twist it around your fingers, you want to twist it around your finger in the actual direction that the curl is going. I think my best friend had called me. You see how I'm just pulling them apart and twirling it around my finger. Now to the front. I was unaware that I really didn't show you guys a good angle of it. So I do apologize for that. But same thing, unravel the opposite direction. And you definitely want to pull these apart. This is a better look at how to swirl it around your finger. And just let it go. And it will snap right back in place. I'm going to show you a couple more times how to do this. And then once you are comfortable with doing it a couple of times, it'll get way more easier, I promise. I have a bad habit of keeping my mouth open. Close your mouth. And voila. Now, I probably will, over the days, it'll fall. But thanks for watching.